Hello everyone, Talisha here, also known as CreativiTeeByT. I am here standing outside of this store called Five Below. Have you ever heard of it? Well, if not, I will quickly tell you what it is. This is a store where each and every item is only $5 or less. Yes, $5 or less. And for the consumer, that is very appealing because $5 is not considered a lot of money, especially when you can purchase items such as Bluetooth headphones, toys for children, and shoes. It's a lot easier to only have to spend $5 on items such as those that are of great quality and will actually get the job done versus spending $25 per item, which can easily be done, right? Less money, same quality. Well, if that sounds good to you, get even more excited because I am going to share with you the same concept through sewing. So beginning this Sunday, March 6th through Sunday, April 3rd, myself and Rochelle of Rochelle Handmade Designs are collaborating to bring you a series titled Five and Below. Rochelle of Rochelle.Handmade Designs has an absolutely wonderful channel and great content. On her channel, she provides hauls, pattern reviews, sewing series, sew-alongs, and she is also the creator behind Why Wow, which is what you're working on Wednesday, and she provides much more. So make sure you are subscribed to her channel. Below. This is a series where we will showcase a total of 10 garments that you only need 5 pattern pieces or less to make your finished product, but you will still look absolutely fabulous. So I will present 5 patterns and Rochelle will also present 5 patterns. Bringing this series is a way for us to inspire you to sew simple, basic, and quick projects and heighten the looks by making them fashionable with minimal sew time. This will also afford you the opportunity to build a me-made wardrobe quickly by maximizing your time. So even if you have a busy schedule, you can still achieve all of these looks at a quick pace, and you will also experience project gratification because with these patterns having only 5 pattern pieces or less, you'll be done before you know it. All of the patterns that we will be sewing will have no longer than a 45-minute prep time, and the actual construction of the project will be no longer than 1 to 2 hours to make, and that's coming from someone who's a slow sewer, so trust me. So whether you are a full-time 9-to-5 type of worker, a busy stay-at-home mom or dad, you're new to sewing, or just anyone who desires or needs to sew quick projects, we've got you covered. The patterns that we will have picked out have no specific theme, but all of these patterns are great wardrobe garment builders that are very versatile and great for everyday wear. And although there is no specific theme, I will say that my pattern picks are going to be geared towards spring so that I can get a head start on my spring wardrobe. So how can you find all of the looks in one location? Well, let me tell you. So just in case you want to find the projects easily, we have established the hashtag Sewingfiveandbelow so that you can search that and you can find both of our makes compiled in one location. And we will use that hashtag on Instagram and on YouTube. Our last makes of the series will be on Sunday, April 3rd, but on Sunday, April 10th, which is the following Sunday, myself and Rochelle will bring to you a styling fashion show for you all to sit back and enjoy, and I think it's going to be pretty nice. The styling show will not be the exact same, so you definitely want to make sure that you are subscribed to both channels so that you don't miss out on that fun. So again, we will be posting a featured 5 and below make every single week beginning this Sunday on both of our channels, which gives you 2 inspiration patterns to sew per week that you will need only 5 pattern pieces or less to make. The posting locations will be on YouTube and on Instagram, and we will publish our videos and photos at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At the end of our videos, we will send you to each other's channels so that you can get your second inspiration look to see if that is something that you would like to sew. So I hope this sounds fun and exciting to you, as we are definitely geeked up and excited to bring you this content, and I hope you all follow us during the series and beyond, and I hope you join in on the sewing fun as well. If you do, please make sure you tag us and use this hashtag Sewingfiveandbelow so that we can see your amazing looks. So let me know what you think in the comments below, and let me know if you're going to follow along this 5 and below journey. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you have not done so already. And thank you to all of my new and returning subscribers for your support, and I will see you in the next video.